Ham and greens and bean soup. So yummy. Ham and green and bean soup.
Tonight we're making a special southern dish called the ham bean soup. The early people didn't have a lot of meat left over, so they would save the bone and they would boil it and get the meat soft and then cut it off into pieces, and then you would have the beans that were cooked separately and add some greens, and you would have the ham bean greens soup. So here we are on the stove making a mixture of beans. There are pintos and all kinds of beans in here, maybe 5 or 6, and then we're going to add the chopped greens. This is a mixture of mustard greens and collards and all kinds of good greens. Turnip greens, mustard greens from the vegetable garden. So mixing the greens with the beans. Ready to bring the ham over? And the kids have got the ham all chopped up. So we are just about out of room. And this is a very tasty dark ham from down by the bone. Jonah found some meat on the bone that most people would never even see.
Ham and greens and bean soup. So yummy. Ham and green and bean soup.